Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can easily edit your pictures by using replays on Picsart. So I'm just going to search for a replay to choose. I don't know why it keeps on refreshing every 10 seconds. I try to choose the one that I want. So I'm just going to try that again. So just select try once you get to the replay, and then just select a photo. Press next. Also, you can like crop it out even more if you want. Select next, and I'm just going to skip the step. You can press skip on the steps that you don't want. I'm just going to select next on this one, and I'm just going to move this kind of up here just a little bit, and then I'm going to press next again. You can also like adjust the position if you want to change it, or again I'm just going to skip the step, and I'm just going to skip that, and also I'm going to skip this one because it looks kind of weird there. And then that's basically how you can easily edit using replays on Picsart. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button on the description box down below. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!